Yay, my Amazon Basics Classic Computer Desk just came, and let's open it up. When you open the box, make sure you do it carefully. What I like to do is to set everything up and throw away all the extra pieces. It comes with these instructions, so make sure you read it all. And the instructions are in English, French, and Spanish. It shows all the items that are included, and what you will need is a screwdriver, which isn't included. Another nice thing is you can either use the shelves on the left side or the right side. And it's very easy to read and understand instructions. Here's the next page. They want us to first start doing the shelves. As you can see, then we should be done. Let's see how long it's going to take for us to finish this. Another nice thing that Amazon Basics included is the screws with numbers coordinating, so you know what to use in each and every step. The first thing we're going to do is use these 2 bars as well as this screw and this lug nut, and we're going to screw it in and thread it in through this hole. Perfect. The next thing we're going to do is attach the side shelves. And we're going to use these metal brackets as well as the shelves and these 8 screws. So what you're going to look for are the 2 shelves that have screws on both bottom sides. And then you're going to attach the shelves to the sides where it has the screws. Okay, so we're going to get the screw, put in this top 2 holes and have it go through and just start screwing it to try to get the lines to line up. Last one. So after we have that, now we're going to tighten them all up. Okay, perfect. So we got the first one set up. Now we're going to flip it to the other side. I like to do it this way so it's all stabilized. To run it through both holes, and then once you find the hole, just tap it through and start screwing. It's very easy. You could use a screwdriver, which does work good. It just does take a few more turns, but since it's starting to get dark, I'm gonna have to use some help, and I'm gonna start using this screwdriver. Okay, that looks pretty good and solid. Wow, it is looking nicely. Very nice. Now the directions call for us to use these 4 screws as well as these 4 nuts. Now, depending what side you're going to use your desk is how you're going to use the next step. Either the shelves are going to be on your left side or on the right. You decide. Depending on what side you're going to use your computer, either the shelves on the left side or the right is where you put the crossbar. Since I'm going to be using the shelves on this side, I'm going to be using the crossbar here. And what we're going to do is align these 4 holes together. So to make it easier, I'm going to be using pliers and the drill. Okay, this seems to be very sturdy. And now for the last step, we're going to put the top on. Now you can do it either 2 ways. We can put the top on top of these shelves right now, or we can flip it over and do it that way. And I think that's the way I'm going to do it because that's going to be easier. So now let's do it. I'm so excited. We're almost finished. Well, that went easily. What I want to do is do the opposite sides so it gets more stabilized. Oh, this is coming along very nicely. I'm super excited. It's almost finished. If it doesn't line up all the way, just kind of push the metal piece just a little bit and it'll probably line up. Last one. As you can see, it was very easy to set up. And the product weighs about 22 pounds and it's 29 inches in height, as well as 36 inches in length and 19 inches wide. The reason why I bought the Amazon Basics Classic Desk is because they always have good quality. And I am very pleased and I cannot wait to try this out. Here's my Amazon Basics Classic Desk and I just love it. It has perfect amount of workstation on the top as well as storage shelves on the bottom. And I think this is going to work out perfectly and I'm very happy and pleased with it. Feels very sturdy as well as lightweight. So if I do need to move it around during live streams or any of my videos, I'll be able to very quickly move it away. So I'm very happy with this product, and thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.